Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Code Flow. In this video, we will download and install Visual Studio using Visual Studio Installer. So, to download, open Google Chrome or any other browser. From there, search for Visual Studio. Go through its official link. Now, from here you can choose Visual Studio for Windows or Mac OS. From this Download Visual Studio button, choose Community Edition. The Community Edition of Visual Studio is free. After download is completed, open it to install. Click on Continue button. Now, it will install a Visual Studio installer, from which you can install Visual Studio and its component. We are using this Visual Studio as IDE for writing C# script to make games on Unity. So, we choose Game Development with Unity and click on Install. After a few minutes, the installation will be complete and the Visual Studio is ready to use for Unity. If you have any problems while installing, then please comment below. You can also find a detailed article link on how to download and install Visual Studio in the description below. Hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.